So, if Fortnite keeps freezing on your PC in 2026, even after lowering graphics settings, don't worry. This usually happens because of drivers, background apps, or launch settings. Let me show you the quick fixes that actually work. Step 1. Update your GPU drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Use NVIDIA app or AMD software and install the latest driver. Step 2. Close background apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Close browsers, launchers, and any apps you're not using to free up memory. Step 3. Disable startup apps. In Task Manager, go to Startup. Disable apps you don't need running when your PC starts. Step 4. Add launch option in Epic Games. Open Epic Games, then Settings, then Fortnite. Step 5. Restart and test. Restart Epic Games, then launch Fortnite and check performance.